Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back with Ntpath, and the method we're going to mess with is the getmtime. So I think the last time we messed with this, it was the last time it was created, or last time it was created, when it was created. This is, and I'll put that video up right here. This method, it returns the last time it was modified. So let me make a note for that. Okay. So all right, let's just import this and get a look at it. So all right, thanks for joining us. If you're new here, what we do is we do what has been dubbed a micro video. We do one video subject at a time, and they're always searchable. Get m time. So all right, return the last modification time of a file, and we're just gonna stick with our shopping list file, and it's gonna look a lot like this. Now also, one important thing is the time module, and we need to use the ctime. So I will put that up right here because that's how computers work and track back. So we're not going to touch on that again. We've already done it. So ntpath dot get m time, and it's shopping list.txt. And this will work for you for any file you have. This is just a file that we haven't touched in a while. And if you haven't seen shopping list, I'll try not to take it personally. But just if you're interested, what in the world am I talking about? I'll go ahead and put that up here too. So okay. And then we're just going to print time dot ctime and last. And let's make sure I have enough parentheses, and I did. So here we go, and this returns back November 14th, what happened to be a Wednesday of 2018. So we'll pull this up, not that one. We'll pull this up right here, and let's get this modified. And shopping list. So there we go. Let's see if you guys can see this. If that works. Okay, you can see it. So here we go. And these correspond with what Windows says and the information that Python returned for us. So that is that. Real quick video today. Let's get that out of the way so you can see it. But just get mtime. Just a wonderful function that is very handy. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below. Make sure we give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark down there and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time, and a lot of them, as you can see here, build upon each other. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.